Book 1 Old History Book. Yawns, oh, finally, the humans are gone. Time to stretch my spine. Cracked spine, do you know how stiff it gets being unread for years? Book to colorful storybook. Tell me about it. I haven't been opened since Emma grew up. I miss those tiny fingers turning my pages and the giggles when she read about dragons and fairies. Book 3 Science Book. Excited? You both complain too much. I get picked up all the time. Kids love learning how volcanoes explode and why. Stars twinkle. Book for diary. Blushing. I hold secrets, wishes, tears, laughter. No one reads me, but I hold memories no one can steal. Book 2. What if we could walk, travel, fly? Book 1. We travel in minds. Dear, every time someone reads us, we live again. Words are wings. Suddenly, a little boy enters, holding a flashlight. The books freeze. Boy, HMM, what should I read tonight? He reaches for the storybook. Book to whispers. Pick me. Just one more bedtime story. Boy, my old dragon book. I remember this. He opens it, and magical sparkles fly out. Book 1 Smiling, and just like that, we live again. Scene fades as the boy reads under his blanket. Books glow softly on the shelves. Moral message voiceover at end. Books may not speak, but they tell the greatest stories. Open a book and open your imagination.